Yes.
Can I get some input from your side? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so you are familiar with BIM. So when we hear the term BIM or building information modeling, we may think that it is only applicable for buildings or some structures related to buildings, but it's not. It is applicable for everything which fall under the civil engineering. So we can think in a bit wider perspective. So building is just building can be considered as a small unit when the civil engineering is concerned. So we can use this building information modeling technology for all type of construction projects, such as we can use this technology for projects like road construction, dam construction, culverts, irrigation projects, pipeline networks, metros, railways. So wherever we can, we are using some civil engineering projects there we can use this technology called building information modeling. So we developed a course and in order to explore the chances of applying this building information modeling in large scale infrastructure projects. So I will share my screen and I will share you the course content and course outline, and you can ask questions if you have. Mm, Let me share my screen. Can anyone confirm my screen is visible, right?
No,
Yes,
it's
sir.
not visible.
Yeah. So
Now
Yes.
it's visible. Yeah, yeah.
okay. So today we will be discussing about the BIM practices in infrastructure development. Before diving into the course
Others,
details.
can you make into presentation mode?
Yeah, sure. So before diving into this course details, course contents, we have to, I would like to present some ideas about what this infrastructure projects are and how it can be used. So if we think this in a broader perspective, we can see that there are multiple things presented in this slide, right? So the civil engineers are dealing the construction projects, the building projects, then we will be dealing with water and wastewater projects. We are the people who are building the roads, railway networks, subsurface utilities, power plants, everything. All these projects need the help of civil engineers, right? So we adopted a new technology called building information modeling in order to make these projects or make the process more easier than the conventional methods. So if we adopt this building information modeling technology to our construction projects, then the overall resources can be saved and the projects can be executed seamlessly and the project can be completed within the specified time without losing any resources that we are concerned. So let's discuss what are the different types of projects that we are dealing with in the infrastructure field. We will be mainly focusing on the transportation infrastructure, urban development projects, the utility development projects, the environmental projects, ports and maritime projects. All these projects involve civil engineers, and the civil engineers have to adopt the new technology in these fields in order to save the time and save the money, the two main resources that we are concerned. And let's discuss what is this BIM. So BIM is a digital representation of a physical and functional characteristics of a facility. We will say it's a facility. So focusing on that term facility, we know the something makes our things more easier can be called as a facility. So infrastructure projects are mainly dealing with the facilities, the roads, railways, pipelines, etc. Right? So these can be the building the information modeling, the technology can be adopted in this infrastructure field also. So from the planning stage to the operation stage, we can use this building information modeling using different softwares, and we can coordinate the different project phases in a very effective manner. So why this BIM in infrastructure projects? So when the if we are dealing with buildings, then we have to check the dimensions of the structures such as columns, beams, slabs, and all. While dealing with the infrastructure projects, we have to we need a large team, and the large scale coordination is necessary, right? Because for the projects, if say a township project, so there we have to involve the highway engineers, pipe engineers, then the street lights, everything have to be planned in a very well manner, right? So a large scale coordination is necessary for infrastructure projects, and as well as a complex stakeholder involvement will be there when comparing to the building projects. And we have to face the cost and time overruns. So all these have to be addressed in a proper way. So for that, we have to use this building information modeling in the infrastructure field. So by adopting this building information modeling in the infrastructure field, we can enhance the design coordination, we can improve the project delivery, we can improve the project delivery speed, or we can complete the projects than in an earlier date than it's planned. And we can have a best cost control and time control if we use this technology in this large scale projects. And we can attain the asset management, attain the improved asset management if we adopt this BIM in the infrastructure projects. So if we look into the global trends in BIM for infrastructure, we can see the developed nations such as UK, UAE, European countries, government made it mandate for all the projects in order to meet the goals of sustainable construction. And with the help of new technologies like AI, Internet of Things, by integrating all these things with our construction operations, everything made it easier, and the overall project delivery made very simple than compared to the conventional methods. So what are the major sectors adopting this BIM? BIM is slowly adopted by this or getting adopted by the roads, highways, bridges, railways, metros, airports, seaports, utilities, and smart cities. Everywhere, wherever the infrastructure projects are going on, the BIM is getting mandate in almost many countries. So we can say all the developed nations, it is mandate, and most of the developing nations are adopting this BIM into their construction project field. And from the design and visualization stage to facility management stage, we can use this building information model. So you can see some schematic representations in this presentation. This is a highway project. So in this highway project, we can use the different tools, different softwares to implement this building information modeling for these projects. So I'm not going into deep into these things, infrastructure for roads and utilities. We will. So this is somewhat some details of the projects. I'm not going into much deeper. And let's see where we can use this building information modeling. So may all of you heard about BIM, and BIM have different LODs, right? So from LOD 100 to LOD 500, we can adopt this BIM in infrastructure projects. So from the conceptual stage to the facility management stage, we can use this building information modeling. And what are the scope and job opportunities if you have enough skills in this infrastructure field? So this slide is based on Dodge Data Analytics in 2025, and it is predicting that 65% of this architecture um, eco industry will adopt BIM in the next 10 years. So our central government, if I'm only exploring the Indian projects right now. So our central government have dedicatedly uh, invested some amount for the next 5 years for developing the infrastructure projects. So around 100 trillion rupees is considered as an investment for the next 5 years for road and highway development. For especially for road and highway, it is around 20 trillion rupees for for developing new access control express highways. For revitalizing 53 highways, rupees of rupees 2.1 trillion rupees is dedicated, and for shipping and ports, for upgradation of ports, 2 trillion, and for some port projects, around 25,000 crore rupees is dedicated. See, all why I am explaining all these things, because if we look into our country, we are investing more on the infrastructure projects. So all these government projects will be taken up by some private agencies like Adani or some organizations like IFPI or some other organization at your region. So all these projects, all these giants will be hiring some people who know the BIM skills, or the people who have the BIM skills, and people who know the tools that are used in this infrastructure projects. So let's know what are the tools that you have to learn to get equipped for these waiting job opportunities. Okay. So I will be showing the slide. So these are the main tools that we have to learn if in order to get a job or in order to get placed in a infrastructure project. So mainly Autodesk Civil 3D. It is a huge software and with a huge potential in this infrastructure projects. Then Autodesk Navisworks will be there. We have to learn this Navisworks. Then Open Roads by Bentley, Synchro by Bentley for project planning and all. Then you must learn Autodesk Revit. Then MicroStation and AutoCAD. MicroStation is a Bentley product and the AutoCAD is an Autodesk product for 2D drafting and all. So you must learn these tools, or you have to be equipped with these tools in order to get placed in a company like Arcadis or Jacobs, who are dealing with the infrastructure projects. So through our course, we will be teaching you these tools, and we will make you prepared to get placed in such huge companies. So let's dive into the course details. So this course is called as PTI Certified BIM Modeler in Infrastructure Field. So this is a 6-month course, which is divided into 2 parts. So the first 4 months will be training. So you have to attend the training courses at the institute, and the remaining 2 months will be internship. So you will be getting a chance to work with the projects, and you will be trained by the project people, and you will get the internship certificate. And after completing the course, you will get the certificates like Certified BIM Modeler certificate from PTI Academy, and you will get the Autodesk Bentley certificates for the respective products, and you will be getting a chance to get ACU certification and creative badging system. And if you successfully complete your internship with all the necessary data, you will get the internship certificate. And internship period will be 2 months and 45, which is spanning 45 days. And in the internship duration, you have to prepare the BIM models as per the LOD specifications. And you have to prepare the shop drawings, you have to prepare the family creations and documentation, and everything have to be done within the specified time. And we will be offering a placement assistance with minimum 3 interviews. And these are the softwares that we are going to learn in this 4-month training period. So we will start with AutoCAD. Even though if you know the AutoCAD, we have to start from it, because it's entirely different from the curriculum that or the tools that you learned at your college level than in when it compared to the project level. So we will be starting with AutoCAD, and then we will teach you the BIM. What is this BIM? That will be a theoretical portion. And through those sessions, you will get familiar with what is this building information modeling and how it is adopted in this construction field and all. So then you will learn the BIM process, the BIM workflow, how this technology is working. And then we will start learning the modeling using Revit, and we will learn the documentation part, estimation part, construction modeling part, and we will learn some basics of visualization with Revit. Then we will learn how the BIM project setup can be done in the Revit, and then we will learn the multidisciplinary coordination using Revit. Later, we will be learning how this infrastructure elements can be modeled. So from there, we will be start learning the Civil 3D software, which is a very good, very powerful software. We can do any infrastructure elements in this software, and we will be more focusing on the highways and pipelines. Then we will be having some introductory session about the open roads, open drives, and open flow. All these three softwares are Bentley products. Then we will learn in detail the open roads, and we will learn how to create the highway projects using this open road software. Then later, we will jump into the next software, Navisworks, which is mainly used for project review, 4D simulation, and quantification. And at last, we will learn this BIM 360, which is a common data environment that we use in this BIM technology. So that learning all these softwares are very much necessary in order to start your career as a BIM modeler some giants like Arcadis or Jacobs or Covey, etc. So you have to learn all these tools thoroughly in order to get placed in a better position. So that's all with my presentation. And if you have some doubts, you can ask. If you have anything to ask or if you need some clarification with something that I presented, then you can ask.
No, no, I'm clear.
Anyone have any doubt can ask.
Hello,
Whether it is
hello,
commercial or educational, you can ask any question.
hello.
Yes, Janish.
I'm clear. I don't have any doubts.
Okay. Rachel asked something in the chat box. Let me.
We have received
What?
something in chat box.
Yeah. What is the basic requirement to take up this course, and what is the course fee? The course fees will be discussed by the institute, and the basic requirement you have to learn, or you must complete your BTech or at least a six. Those who cleared the sixth semester can join for this course if you are focusing on infrastructure. Okay, because you must learn the transportation engineering, environmental engineering before joining this course. Any other doubt? Rachel is typing something. Any other doubts regarding the course or the tools that we use? And we have good knowledge of AutoCAD before. No, and if you know AutoCAD, then it's good, but not necessary. We will teach you from the scratch. Uh, Hitesh sir, are we planning for online mode or
Yes, sir.
uh, Rachel is asking, is this course is online or offline?
So, the course we are running is fully online. If you want to do a 6-month course, then it is offline. Both hybrid model. Okay. So,
Hello, hello.
yeah, Rachel, ma'am, we will connect you. Janish, are you asking
Ashwini,
something?
Hi,
Ashwini
yeah.
types something.
Uh, I want to ask something like you said that internship is for 2 months, right?
Yeah, right.
So in internship we will be given some projects and some work, right?
Yes, yes.
So we need a computer or any laptop for that.
Yeah, you need a laptop. If you have a laptop, then it's better.
No, because I
Yeah.
don't have a laptop or a computer. That's what I'm asking.
So you are planning to join the course in an offline mode or online mode?
Online, offline, offline.
Offline. Then I think the institute will arrange, right, Hitesh sir?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh, Others, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Can you proceed further?
Yeah, sure, sure. So that's all about our presentation. Then, if you don't have any other question, then we can wind up. So, yeah, Ashwini asked something. Ashwini, is it useful for a company? Is there any option where we can hire those who know the modules? Ashwini, can you explain uh, what you actually meant? Yeah, I think Hitesh replied. Okay, okay. So if you don't have any other questions, then we can wind up, right, Prajit sir?
Okay, sir. We move
Yes, sir.
forward.
Yes, sir. Anyway, Hitesh, I will share the recorded audio video, recording of this session. And any
Mm.
more clarity, any more doubts, please contact Hitesh. He has dropped his number on the chat box. Please note it down. And any clarity, we can get back to you. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you so much.